Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala. I'm Sevi certified research analyst. I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel, get more update on intraday and positional trading strategy. In this video, and I'm taking this as an educational purpose video to make you understand or find out the short-term trend with a simple and effective indicator using the super trend. The super trend indicator is based on the average traded price, and here we have the super trend have ATR and with multiplier. So using the best trick with the super trend ATR, and we can find out the somewhat trend of the market. So based on that, we can try to trade in an intraday market. So the super trend is normal. We can see a lot of trading platforms they are providing the super trend. So here in a trading view, so we have multiple super trend. Let's check it out. Super trend. So you can go for a formula. You can check it out the super trend, and this is the first one. Let's add it, and this will automatically giving you sell and buy, again sell buy according to the trend or according to the change of the ATR periods, and it will show you buy and sell signal. But the trending market, the super trend will give you the nice and good return, but those the return which we are gained from the trending market, we may lose that profit what we have earned from the trending market. We can lose that profit in a range bound market. That is the uh, important thing we have to know while if you are using any indicators. So if you are using any indicators based system that will work on the trending market, but that may not work on the range bound market. So what are the profits you gained? So that will be returned back by the market on the range bound conditions. So we will play with the intraday. So even more trend confirmation that will give you some better trading opportunity or even good profit making opportunity. This is a nifty chart of 5 minutes. So here this super trend gives a sell signal when the red color line is crossed above or it formed over the market price, that will taken as a sell signal, and when the green line formed below the price, we will take as a sell signal. So where it given a buy signal, immediately it given a sell signal. So where we got buy around 15,700 and the sell is reversed by 15,720. We almost we got around 50-point loss in this scenario. But here the last signal were generated 15,743 and it last up to 15,800, almost 50 points. Again it turned red and again it went. So this is the shorter time frame. So it in a range bound market or trend reversal market, market reversed very quickly. So that time it may give you some many false signals. So if you see the trend is very good and it generated a buy signal around 15,600, it went up to 15,890. So almost somewhere around 150 200 points. So trending market, it works very well. In a range bound market, it gives you a lot of signal and we are not able to make money in the range bound market. To avoid, so we can do lot of things with the super trend, right? Let's show you. This is what a super trend, which is a default parameter of 10 and 3. So you see the 10 and 3. So here we are using the high low divided by 2. So that is the parameter. ATR period is 10 and the ATR multiplier is 3. So this is we took as a shorter time frame, and we will add another one more super trend, the same super trend which we can add super trend which we can add, and now we can change the parameter somewhere around 20 and double, and here instead of 6 we'll go for a 5. So we will check it out now. You see now the same 5-minute parameters of super trend, which gives you uh, the longer trend. So let's change the color of longer trend, and here we will check with this one, and so we'll change the color to find out what is going on. So what is the longer term and what is the shorter term? So here we added two different super trend indicators, two different parameters. So we are used on two different parameters. So the blue we mentioned as a longer time frame, we used 20 and 5 ATR period, 20 ATR and 5 multiplier. Here it's somewhere around the minimum time period is around 10 and 3 we use. So if you check with this, so we may be finding the trending market. So we may avoid this kind of range bound market. If your minimum time frame, you can see there will be a buy and again there will be a buy, and here the sell and other sell. So the four signals were generated. You are using the smaller time frame, but if you are using a higher time frame, that will shows you some better here one signal, and then it will be changing on the next one. So in higher time frame we got a only one signal, but lower time frame we got almost somewhere around 4-5 signals. So using this, so when the smaller time frame as well as longer the time frame, which gives you the same signal, so we can travel along with the direction of the market. So that may give you some better opportunity to trade in the market. Even we can follow the trend basis. For example, last signal which is given on the long term buy, and the short term buy which is given before in the market before that, but longer term wasn't selling. So the two direction is opposite. So whenever it turns buy on the today, the 24th of June, so it is around 15,700 and it went up to 15,814. So almost 30 points movement in a direction, and the direction is changed here 760. If you are keep holding also 773 you bought and you are exited with 764 the minimum losses, and now we are in the no trading range. So but if higher time frame, if you follow that, there will be a sell signal and that is giving you some profit. And if you follow this kind of system, that will give you some better trade opportunity on a trending market. You can easily travel along with the trending market, and the profit is very big along if you are going to the trending market. And some tricks which we can use. So whenever the new signal which is generated by the first 5 minutes candle at the starting of the candle, you just keep wait, and whether the market is broken that high of the first 5 minutes, even you can get a better chances. Even whenever the new signal generated on our long term or short term, you just keep track the low or high is broken according to the signal. So then you can try to take a position. So even clear confirmation. Okay, even this is for a Nifty and a Bank Nifty. So Nifty and Bank Nifty having some range of the range daily basis. But even if you're selecting the high volatile stocks, that is giving you better trade opportunity, and in an intraday basis, so you can manage your risk based on the stop loss which is given. So let's show you some other stocks, and we'll take the high volatile stocks which you can prefer. So some high volatile stocks like so many stocks. So let's go for a JSW Steel. What happened in this? Yes, you see that this is a 5-minute chart. We are going to use for an intraday, not for a positional. We are going to use for use this for an intraday strategy. So how it will be become profitable today around 2 o'clock. Sorry, today 9:30 it generate you both the signal which is given a buy. So when you see the high is broken, yeah, around 675, you make the stop loss or this one, or second at longer term or shorter term according to the risk ability. And from 674 it went almost to 681. Still the buy is on, and here we got a sell signal. Immediately it fall down. So we will wait to reach that level, but this is an intraday trade, it is happening by 2 o'clock, so we may avoid. So whenever it gives you buy signal on a higher level, so we just keep carry and we can find the trend reversal R. So when the stock started falling down, so and where to find out the trend reversal. For example, the stock started falling down from here around 7:30 and it made a low 647. So we will track when the stock is already fall down. So we will track the stocks to find out the right opportunity where we can get the lower entry level. See here you see that 680 is the lower entry and still the stop loss is 650 and now it is traveling around 680. So likewise also we can find out in 5 minutes and even longer the time frame, that is also working well in a positional basis or investment purpose. Also we can use this method to make some good consistent return from the intraday or even positional trade also. So a lot of stock is there and Port. So it is see clear downtrend from here and the major trend and minor trend both are in down, so it's moving down because high volatile, so it will give you better result. Here again the buy trend and it is rocking and so what the meaning we are using the two super trend, so that will give you some better opportunity in the market on trending. So range bound market, so most of the time we avoid the range bound signal while we are using the two super trends, right? And now a lot of, so how we can use this as a positional trade and same parameter without changing anything. So we can go for a daily chart that will give you better result. And this is a positional and you see that and not these stocks are already moving up, so that is why it's showing it like this. So for example here we got a double super and you see the longer trend is still positive. So from here to here still positive, the blue line still positive, so the trend is clearly going up. It's not for intraday chart, this is a daily chart and the signal were generated on 11th August 2020 around the price of 332 and again it generated sell signal 332, so you are not making such a good money from here and again it is turned around 360 and it wiped out went out almost 800 plus. So not only this stock, so what are the stocks? So for example, Axis Bank. So lot of stocks you can track and check it out. So from the Axis Bank, it is turned here, and the position 498, it went up to 789, and previous also. So here, if I am holding the stocks, so I can try to exit from that here, and I'll try to buy it again lower, same stock which I maintain. See that, and the daily chart, this is not an intraday chart, this is daily chart year 2019, which was a 669. From there it went up to 781. It's almost some 10% move from here. And likewise in daily chart or even weekly chart also we can use the same, so that will give you best and better result. This is the weekly chart of this Axis Bank. So it given by recently around 4th Jan 2021 around 672. Still now the market is trading around 730. So it is in profit only. Axis Bank. So lot of stock is there. If you want to check any stocks, you can go and check it from using this indicator. I hope uh, this video may be useful to you or something informative about this super trend. So if you are using a longer and shorter super trend, that we can find out the clear trend and we can follow. So after knowing the trend, you can use strategies too, like covered call, bull call spread, bear call spread. So a lot of strategies there, so you can use the strategies to how where you get a trend confirmation, or we can go to selling options like that also. So instead of to give you using that this thing, I'll show with some option selling strategies too using this indicator. For example, Nifty also given by you over here almost 11,200, like the price is that, and now it is 15,700. So great move. And this is the like a corona effect, 10,000 to 7,000, but we are not able to sell and hold for a long term. So we are trying to focus on a buying and holding for a long buy and hold like that strategy. So here around 2017 is around 8,000, from 8,000 to 11,000. So how long you are going to hold the positions? So you can try to take higher the time frame. And another thing, so I showed you a 5-minute chart, and if you check that 5-minute chart, so somewhere it is quite good for a option selling strategy. I'll show you that higher time frame stop losses. Higher time frame stop loss. So for example, today, because today the expiry, right? So today it given a buy signal around, this is a 5-minute chart. I'm talking about intraday right now. So the 5-minute chart where it gives a buy signal around 15,700, where it shows the stop loss. The stop loss is 15,700. Whenever the stop loss is triggered, you are going to exit from the trade, right? So you understand there's a longer time frame. I'm not talking about the shorter time frame. I'm talking about the longer the time frame. So the longer the time frame, how I can effectively use this longer time frame to make a option selling. So around 12:15, we got a buy signal, but the stop loss for the trade is 15,700, correct? So here 15,700, I'm expecting the market is going bullish. So that is my expected. So I can go for a short in 15,700 put around the time is 12:50. Let's show you how I can make an intraday trade. So which is, I will show you the price of Nifty 15,700 put options. So Nifty, the put option of today's expiry of 15,700, around, which will go for a 5-minute chart. Around 12:15, the price was trading 15 rupees, and finally it leads to 0. So if I sold this 15 rupees, I can manage with stop loss when the trend is reversed or when the premium is increased. So I'll manage. So the 15 rupees premium is expire worthless. Not only this contract, 24th expiry. Let's check it 1st of July. And the same 12:15, what is the price? 12:15, it is 93. After that it was 71, almost 20 rupees we got a profit. And this is the out of the money option if you are writing. So it is a safe, but until unless the market is breaks below your strike prices, your position would be the safe. So that is also be possible. So here you see that whenever the sale signal generated, we will short at 15,800, 15,900. So here also 15,850, like that. So according to the stop loss, whenever market bounces, we can try to short this type of call option, and we can make some good amount. I hope this may be useful, and how to short the options using the support trend will let you know by next video. I hope this may be useful, and thank you, and subscribe the channel. And if you like this, you can like and share to your friends. If you have any questions, comment on this video. Thank you very much.